Hello friends, today in this video I'm gonna be walking through how to add meta tags and meta description to your Wix website. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, you have to open your Wix editor and click on menus and pages and click on site menu, and from here select home and click on more and click on SEO basics. And make sure to select SEO Basics tab and scroll down, and here you will find this option, what's the page title tag. So here we have to put our meta tag. And here is the meta description box, so here you have to put your meta description. And here you will see the preview, and then click on save. So this is how we can add meta tags and meta description to our Wix website. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.